Hi, I'm Freeman Green. I'd like to give you an overview on our estate planning process. So, if you're coming into my office and you want to put a new estate plan in place, this is what you can expect to have happen. Broken it down into 4 big picture steps. Step 1 would be the intake and scheduling step. You've called into my office or you've sent us an email. And what we do is first, we schedule you for an initial appointment. We gather some basic information about you so that we can run a conflict check and open up a preliminary file. And we'll send you an intake form. Then, when you come in for the initial meeting, we will sit down. We'll spend maybe 1 to 2 hours talking together. I'll teach you about the law and about estate planning and what are the documents that make up a complete estate plan. You'll teach me about your family and your wishes, and then we'll work together to design an estate plan that meets your wishes. At the end of that initial meeting, once I know what the estate plan is, I can quote you a fixed fee so you'll know exactly what it will cost if you want to move forward and put that estate plan into place. If you want to move forward then, you'll know the cost and there won't be any surprises on that. Next step is to schedule the signing meeting, and then 4 to 6 weeks later, you'll come in for that meeting and we'll sit down, we'll review the documents in detail. If they meet your wishes, we'll get them signed, notarized, witnessed, and in place. Then we hold on to the documents for maybe a week or so. During that week, we get them scanned and copied into my file. We organize them for you into a binder. And then you come back in for a very brief meeting to pick up the estate planning binder. And with the estate planning binder, you'll have a homework packet. In that homework packet will be a checklist that tells you anything you need to do to finish things up. For example, you might need to take a letter into your bank and meet with the banker to make a change to your bank account. And in your homework packet, you'll have everything you need to get those items done. You work through your homework items. If you have questions as you do that, you let me know. And then you're done. Anytime that you want to call in and schedule then an update meeting, we would just go back through these steps, but usually in a little bit more abbreviated fashion. Thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful to you. If you think that video might be helpful to someone else, please feel free to share it with them. And if you think that our law office might be able to help you with trusts, probate, or estate planning, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.